Hi guys, it's me, girl Zaba, and today I'm going to be doing a video of giving away 3 boy accounts. So in my last video, I gave away girl accounts, so now I'm going to be doing boy accounts. So let's get started. So I think this skin color is fine, but you guys, if you want to, if you guys are starting, we start playing, you can pick any. So you click on the face. I'm gonna click on the face and I'm gonna do this. One of these noses. Okay. Oh my gosh, no. Okay. Blue. Okay, that's nice. Nice. Okay. Those lips are okay because I can never find these lips. I don't even know which one it is, but I don't click on it because I feel like I'm gonna lose these lips. Let's go into hair. Okay, let's do this hair in black. That's nice. And then these are the shirts. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this one. Oh no, actually, YOLO. Oh God, that's so bright. And then shorts. I usually always do this for boys. And there. No, these all literally. I hate this foot casting. Okay. Okay, so let's name it. Boy, I got style. So it's called Boy I Got Style. So let's space it. Password is LOL123. And on this account, I'm gonna getting on all of the accounts. I'm gonna get you guys to level 3. Skip that. Ugh, I hate this dude and Pixie Star. I think every boy hates Zach Sky. They both force you to be friends with you. And guys, Holly Nova, I like Holly Nova because she doesn't force you. Look, you can friend her, and then she friends you. You can unfriend her. What's nice? Okay, let's quickly get this to level. Yay. Okay, we got a glitch. Glitch. So this is the boys theme. Okay, so let's open the gift and see what we got. Ooh, what the freak are these? I don't care. I like when that sound comes. Okay, I don't really like. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna get. Stay S. Okay. Free account. Okay, let's go and make 2 more of the boy accounts. Actually, yeah, 2 more. So I'm gonna make it a noob account. I'm just gonna click whatever is there. So actually, I'm gonna really choose a different. Here, like I think this is the newbies here, there. So I noob question mark. Ugh. Yeah. I'm rich. I'm gonna be like, I'm rich. I'm Rick. Okay, so this is the account. Equal, I'm Rick. LOL 123. And the LOL 123 is in capital. So good luck to whoever gets this ACC. He really has like 5 million friends. He's like, okay. Equal, I'm Rick. So I got the glitch. But I know it's gonna go away anyway. Okay, guys, I hope we get like something from the year, but only if I glitch something, but it's never gonna be that. Like, I really want that. What the freak is this? I also want this, so we'll just see which one we get. Because we're gonna change one on both. Somebody's really assuming we're gonna get this. We got them D-pack shooters. So guys, we need to make one more ACC. Equal, I'm Rick. It was supposed to be equal, I'm rich, but then I'm like, not just right, Rick. Okay, one more boy account. And then end the video. Sorry guys, I'm freaking scratching myself. Okay, so this one is good, yes. Maybe. I don't know why it doesn't let me take screenshots. I want to write screen shots. Yeah. Oh well, okay guys, I come up with a random name. The password, you guys have to guess this password, okay? It has a 1, 2, 3 at the end. Okay. You guys have to guess this one, okay? It's not LOL 1, 2, 3. Just telling you guys not to waste your time, okay? I keep writing. Okay, wait. I'm not supposed to tell you. Okay. So I wonder what we get on this boy account. Actually, guys, after this boy account, I'm gonna make a girl ACC. That's going so ugly. Y'all can open these gifts, but I'm just gonna open them with a gift. Ooh. If you guys see the IP on one of these accounts, that'll be really surprising. Like, I don't really like these gifts, but okay. Let's see how much we got on our piggy bank. Just check. Bruh. Okay. Okay, guys. The password was OMG123. I was just trying to check as I have time because basically Screencast-O-Matic, you have to wait 15 minutes. I have to do it for 15 minutes. Okay. Stay on. And be like, hey, Ace family. Lol 123. Lol 123. I'm actually gonna change it so if you guys want to buy something, then Pop is Ace family. So it is Pop is Ace family. Like this glow, they shine, they're beautiful. Got a diamond chest. Okay, no, this is cool. Okay, let's go put on an outfit. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys get these ACCs, congratulations, because, I don't know. Let's quickly open up the gifts. Okay, so bye, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.